Okay, Lexus just unveiled something that's turning heads across the automotive world. It's the return of the legendary LFA, but this time, it's all electric. Can you believe it? The iconic roar of the V10 has been swapped for cutting-edge electric power, and it's sending shockwaves through the industry. Stick around because this could redefine how we think about performance cars. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why Lexus's bold move is a game-changer. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Lexus has just revealed the LFA Concept, a name that's already buzzing after its appearance at two major auto shows as the Lexus Sport Concept. But now, it's official. This is no ordinary concept, it's an all-electric powerhouse developed alongside Toyota Gazoo Racing's GR-GT Supercar and the GR-GT3 race car programs. Imagine a world where the LFA lineage meets the future of electrification. That's exactly what we're looking at. The concept embodies Toyota Motor Corporation Chairman Akio Toyoda's vision of evolving core vehicle development skills for the next generation. And it's not just about electrification, it's about preserving the soul of what makes a Lexus LFA. The LFA concept is built with three priorities: a low center of gravity, low mass with high body rigidity, and advanced aerodynamic performance. It's Toyota's first high-rigidity all-aluminum spaceframe, shared with the GR-GT and GR-GT3. While details about the battery pack remain under wraps, rumors suggest Toyota's making strides with solid-state batteries. Could this be the breakthrough platform? We think so. And the design? It's got the same swoopy, sensual proportions of the original LFA but with an EV twist. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. The LFA concept is more than just a nod to the past, it's a bold step into the future. This car reflects a universal sports car shape, meant to resonate across regions and eras. It's a blend of dynamic capability and a timeless design that makes it stand out. The interior is all about discover immersion, focusing on connecting the driver with the vehicle through a minimalist layout. That funky yoke-style steering wheel? It's designed for intuitive driving, putting controls right at your fingertips. So, what does this mean for the future of cars? The LFA concept is a clear sign that Lexus is serious about electrification. It's part of a broader trend where traditional automakers are embracing electric technology while maintaining performance and luxury. Could this be the beginning of a new era for sports cars? Absolutely. It's a bold prediction, but the LFA concept might just lead the charge in redefining what it means to be a supercar in the electric age. Now, back to where we started. Lexus has made a move that could shake up the entire automotive landscape. What do you think? Are you ready for an all-electric LFA? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And don't forget to hit subscribe because next week, I'm breaking down another exciting automotive innovation you won't want to miss.